In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a connected account on Stripe in this 2025 tutorial. If you're looking to clean up your dashboard or maybe exit a team or business account you no longer need access to, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step clearly. We'll be doing this using the Stripe test environment, which mimics the live environment closely, so don't worry, your real transactions and live data remain unaffected. First, we'll navigate to the Stripe dashboard. You can do this by visiting the Stripe website and logging into your account. Once there, make sure you're accessing the home section of Stripe, specifically using the test mode. It's always a good place to start since it gives you an overview of what's happening with your Stripe account and ensures you're working in a safe practice environment. Now, with the home page in front of you, let's move on to the actual business profile you're associated with. You'll find an option on your dashboard to switch or view different profiles depending on how many accounts you're connected to. Head over to the business profile section. It's essentially your center hub for all things tied to your specific business account or accounts on Stripe. Once in the business profile area, the next thing to do is access your profile settings. This is where you manage all the personal settings, notifications, and account connections. It might seem pretty basic, but this is quietly the backbone for any updates or changes you intend to make to your account, even deletion. Now that you're in the profile settings, you're going to see different accounts that you are currently connected with. Look carefully at this list. Ensure that you select the correct account that you wish to disconnect from or delete. This is essential because you want to make sure the action you're about to take aligns with your intentions. If you're connected to multiple accounts, take an extra moment here to avoid disconnecting the wrong profile. Once you've decided on the right account, there's a simple action you need to take next. Look for the option that says Leave Account. This straightforward command signifies your choice to depart from the associated business profile, effectively ending your connection with it. Clicking this will not immediately delete the account. Instead, it will remove your access, leaving the account available to others who still have access rights. And there you have it. You've successfully removed yourself from the connected account on Stripe. Remember, even though this doesn't delete the account entirely, it's a crucial step in tidying up your business-related interactions on Stripe. If later down the road you need to reconnect or manage another account, you'll follow similar steps to ensure the process is seamless and easy. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and guides.